1 is equal to 3/4. Then, before you solve the equation, you need to express in the exponential form first. The exponential of logarithmic 27 raised to x raised to 81 is equal to 3 all over 4. Then, you raise 81, 3 all over 4 is equals 27 raised to x. First, you need to remove the fourth root by finding the base of 81 that has 44. Fourth root of 81 cubed. Then, fourth root of 3 raised to 4 times 3 equals 3 raised to 3x. So, cancel this. Then, 3 raised to 3 is equals to 3 raised to 3x. So, bring down 3. Then, 3 is equals to 3x. So, you have 3 there because of cancellation. So, the final answer is x is equal to 1. Boom! Panis!
Hi, my name is Ross, and my topic is all about graph of exponential function. We will know the value of x and y. The first problem is 2 raised to x. Let x is equals to the value of x. 2 raised to negative 3 is equals to 1/8. 2 raised to negative 2 is equals to 1/4. 2 raised to negative 1 is equals to 1/2. 2 raised to 0. All number that raised to 0 is equals to 1 except 0. So the answer is 1. 2 raised to 1 is equals to 2. 2 raised to 2 is equals to 4. 2 raised to 3 is equals to 8. So we will graph it. The first graph is colored red. And then the second problem is 3 raised to x. 3 raised to negative 3 is 127. 3 raised to negative 2 is 1 all over 9. 3 raised to negative 1 is 1/3. 3 raised to 0 is equals to 1. 3 raised to 1 is equals to 3. 3 raised to 2 is equals to 9. 3 raised to 3 is equals to 27. The second graph is colored blue. The third problem is f of x is equals to 4 raised to x. Let x is equals to value of x. So, f of x is equals to 4 raised to negative 3 is equals to 1 all over 64. F of x raised to negative 2 is 116. F of x raised to 1 is 4. Negative 1. 4 raised to 0 is 1. 4 raised to 1 is 4. 4 raised to 2 is 16. 4 raised to 64. 4 raised to 3 is 64. The third graph is colored black.
Graph of f of x equals pa raised to x and f of x is equals to pa raised to x plus c. Given of x, f of x equals 2 raised to x times negative 3 is equals to 1 all over 8. 2 raised to x times negative 2 is equals to 1 all over 4. 2 raised to x times negative 1 is equals to 1 all over 2. 2 raised to x times 0 is equals to 1. 2 raised to x times 1 is equals to 2. 2 raised to x times 2 is equals to 4. F of x equals to 2 times 2 raised to x times negative 3 is equals to 1 all over 4. 2 times 2 all over 2 times 2 raised to x times negative 2 is equals to 1/2. 2 times 2 raised to x times 1 times the negative 1 is equals to 1. 2 times 2 raised to x times 0 is equals to 2. 2 times 2 all over raised to x is equals to 4. 2 times 2 raised to x times 2 is equals to 8. F of x equals to 3 times 2 raised to x times negative 3 is equals to 3 all over 8. 3 times 2 raised to x times negative 2 is equals to 3 all over 4. 3 times 2 raised to x times negative 1 is equals to 1 all over 1 half. 3 times 2 x raised to x times 0 is equals to 3. 3 times 2 raised to x times 1 is equals to 6. 3 times 2 raised to x times 2 is equals to 12.
Topic is all about derivation of the graph. F of x is equal to PA raised to x is equal to f of x is equal to PA raised to x plus c. If the exponential is in the form of f of x is equal to PA raised to x plus c, it will shifted upward. Example, f of x is equal to 2 raised to x plus 2. The graph shifted 2 units to the upward. But if the exponential is in the form of f of x is equal to PA raised to x minus c, it will shifted downward. Example, f of x is equal to 2 raised to x minus 3. The graph shifted 3 units downward.
Go!
If the exponential is in the form of f of x is equal to p raised to x minus 3 or 3 raised to x is equal to 3, it will shifted 3 units to the right. But if the exponential is in the form of f of x is equal to p raised to x plus 3 or 3 raised to x plus 3, it will shifted 3 units to the left. Because all numbers that are balanced to the exponent will shifted to the left or right. But if it is in a negative form, it will shifted to the right. But if it is in the positive form, it will shifted to the left. Example, given of 3 raised to x. F of x is equal to 3 raised to x minus 2. The graph of 3 of x, it will shifted 2 units to the right. Number 1. F of x is equal to number 2, I'm sorry. F of x is equal to 3 raised to x plus 4. The graph of 3 of x will shifted 4 units to the left. Next, f of x is equal to 3 raised to x minus 4. It will shifted 4 units downward. Next, f of x is equal to 3 raised to x plus 3. It will shifted 3 units upward.
I am Mr.Rod and my topic is all about identify the x-intercept of exponential function. Letter A. Given the value of x in each of the following exponential equation. The number 2 is the base and the letter x is the exponent. Number 1. 2 raised to x equals 64. You must find the exponent or the x. 2 raised to 6 equals 64. Why did I get 6? Because 2 times 2 equals 4, 4 times 2 equals 8, 8 times 2 equals 16, 16 times 2 equals 32, 32 times 2 equals 64. Number 2, 3 raised to x equals 243. Same as number 1, 3 raised to 5 equals 243. Why did I get 3 raised to 5? Because 3 times 3 equals 9, 9 times 3 equals 27. 27 times 3 equals 81. 81 times 3 equals 243. Number 3. 4 raised to x is equal to 256. Same as in number 1 and number 2. You must find the exponent or the x. 4 raised to 4 equals 246. 256. 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 times 4 equals 64. 64 times 4 equals 256. Letter B. Determine the value of x in each of the following exponential equation. Number 1. 2 raised to x plus 3 equals 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 2 plus 3 equals 2 raised to 5. You subtract the two exponent given. 3 minus 5 equals 2. Then the answer is 2 raised to 5. Same number 2, same as the number 1. 3 raised to x plus 3 equals 81. 3 raised to 78 plus 3 equals 81. Letter C. 1. X raised to
Answer is 63,654. The amount of money she'll get after 2 years. If you want to compute for the compounded semi-annually, quarterly, or monthly, you just have to change the R or interest rate compound to R all over 2 for semi-annually, R all over 4 for quarterly, and R all over 12 for monthly. And the T or number of years to 2 times T for semi-annually, 4 times T for quarterly, and 12 times T for monthly. They all have the same equation. You just have to change the R and T if you want to find the semi-annually, quarterly, and monthly. That's all.
My topic is all about y-intercept of exponential function. First, to find the y-intercept of exponential function, let x is equal to 0 and solve for y. First example. Y is equal to 6 raised to 8. Any number that raised to 0 is equal to 1. So the answer is 1. Second example. Y is equal to 5x plus 3. 5 raised to 0 plus 3. Y, the answer is y. The second example is y is equal to 5x plus 3. 5 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. And the third example is f of x is equal to 7x plus 5. The 7 raised to x will become 7 raised to 0. 7 raised to 0 will become 1 and add 5. So it will become y is equal to 6. So this is now the y-intercept. The fourth example is y is equal to 6 times 2 raised to 8. Two raised to x will become